In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly process over 50,000 Excel rows using Microsoft Copilot Studio. To get started, make sure your large Excel file is stored in OneDrive for Business or SharePoint. This is important because Copilot Studio and Power Automate need a cloud-based location they can access automatically. Also, your data should be organized as a proper Excel table, since that is what the Excel connector reads most reliably. Next, open Microsoft Copilot Studio and select Create to begin building a new Copilot. Once you're in, give your Copilot a clear name, choose your preferred language, and click Create to open the workspace. Keeping the name simple and descriptive will make it easier to manage later, especially if you build multiple Copilots. After that, go to the Topics tab, click New Topic, and choose Blank. This gives you a clean starting point to design a custom conversation flow. In this topic, add trigger phrases that people are likely to type when they want the bot to run the Excel process. For example, you might use phrases like process my Excel sheet or analyze dataset. These triggers help the Copilot understand when to launch the automation. Now move to the authoring canvas, click the plus icon, select Call a Flow, and then choose Create a Flow. This will open Power Automate, where the actual Excel processing happens behind the scenes. In Power Automate, select the Excel Online connector and add the list rows present in a table action. This action is what pulls the data from your spreadsheet. Once that action is in place, open the advanced options and turn on pagination. Set the threshold to at least 50,000 rows. This step is essential because without pagination, the flow may only return a limited number of records and fail to process your full dataset. From there, add the processing actions your scenario needs. That might include filtering rows, running calculations, or updating record statuses. The exact logic depends on what outcome you want, but this is where your automation does the real work. At the end of the flow, add a return value to Microsoft Copilot action. Use this to send back a short summary message so the user knows the job completed and what happened. Then save your flow, return to Copilot Studio, and select the flow you just created so it connects to your topic. Use the built-in test panel to send a message to your bot and watch it process the large Excel file in real time. Once everything works as expected, click Publish in the top right corner to deploy your finished Copilot to your team. And that's it. You're now ready to automate massive Excel files effortlessly using Microsoft Copilot Studio.